Hey DIYers! Not sure if you know this, but I was a fashion designer for most of my early career. And one of my favorite things about being a fashion designer was working on the accessories for all of my runway shows. As you might know, New York Fashion Week runway shows can be a little bit over the top, and the jewelry has to be just as show-stopping. Today on Make Your Mark, with the help of John Bead, I am making a show-stopping runway piece inspired by my years as a fashion designer and by one of my favorite fashion icons, Iris Apfel. This piece would be perfect for New Year's Eve, but if you want something a little more understated, just use some of the techniques I'm showing you today for a smaller piece. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a statement necklace. Hands down, these Crystal Lane faceted glass beads are my favorites. They come in tons of different colors, but for this necklace, I'm using jet black for drama. Hot glue is easy to paint and super sturdy, so it's ideal for jewelry projects. Plus, it dries in just a few minutes. An alternative to metallic luster would be to dry brush over your pieces with a metallic paint. Maybe something like matte metallics or dazzling metallics from Decor. Don't worry too much about the aluminum wire shapes you're creating. Just go crazy and have fun. I've never worked with aluminum wire before, and I can already tell this is going to be a new obsession. And by the way, John Bead makes this 12-gauge aluminum wire in tons of different colors. If you're not a necklace person, consider making a charm bracelet or some show-stopping earrings. No one will ever know it's hot glue. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project. Make sure to check out John Bead if you like jewelry making. I'm also going to leave a link to the silicone molds and my favorite Surebonder glue gun. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab one of my craft books. They'd make a great Christmas gift. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. and I will see you next week. Bye.